Okay, and we're back. Like, what has it been? Like 6 months? So, I've had a lot of people comment on my last video about this simple moving platform here using align position and align orientation. It's all right. It works. It's kind of choppy. You know how it is. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it gets the job done. But if you want something smoother, more efficient, uh, might slow down your game a little bit because we're using RunService.Heartbeat, but that's just the way it's got to be. If you want something like, like this, that works perfectly when you jump and everything, bro. No matter how fast, no matter how thin, no matter how wide the part is, uh, you can't have any glitches in your animation like I do here. Like you see how it skips. I just threw this together really quick, so if you're on the edge here, it like skips off. That's kind of on me. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like you can't have it teleported, but that's on me though, because it skips. But it's still gonna work perfectly if you're not throwing an animation together in 2 seconds. All right. So first, what you want to do is make a local script. You can call it anything. It's got to be a local script. It's gonna go in starter player scripts. It's gonna be here. All right. I guess I'll have this down in the just some notes though. If you're not on R15 or whatever, you're on the other one. Change lower torso to torso. Let me go back up here. This is the model. It's animated. I animated it. I didn't use tween service, but you can. Nothing is stopping you. But basically, let me see here. You'll see how the position in C-frame is not moving at all because it's animated, right? So if you try to use this other method that this guy posted on YouTube, it won't work. Okay, so the video bugged, so I'm back at it again. Just one more thing for it to work for you. You see on line 21 where it says if hit and hit.name equals floor. If you change that to something different than your platform's name, then it won't work. But as long as your platform or the thing that you'll be standing on is named the same thing as in line 21, then it should work. So if I just change it back to platform here, see now that they're both named platform, it'll work. If one is different from the other, then it won't work. Which is also cool because you can make multiple platforms and name it the same thing and it'll still work with just this one script. Anyway, that's all. See ya. Sorry about that. I forgot to credit the guy who originally came up with this idea 4 years ago in 2019. Let me pull up his name here. His name is Cord_K. Cord with a K _K. And he's basically a genius. I'm basically just copying him and making a video on it. So shout out to that guy.